want to start a profitable business but you don't have money to invest? Don't worry, you are in the right place, because in this video I'm going to share 4 small businesses or 4 side hustles that you can start with $0. Whether you are looking for an extra flexible side hustle that will help you to pay your bills, or maybe a full-time career, I've got you covered. This video is perfect for everyone. Let's dive in. The first side hustle is becoming a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is the most in-demand job right now. And the good thing is that you don't need any special skill to get it started. With your phone, your internet, and if you can understand what I'm saying, you can become a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will help businesses or entrepreneurs with tasks like email management, scheduling, social media management, or data entry. With the rise of remote jobs, many business owners are outsourcing more tasks to virtual assistants. So there is a market gap of competent and organized virtual assistants. So that's why you should get yourself ready to become a virtual assistant. There are many different platforms where you can find people looking for virtual assistants. If you are somebody who is getting started with this job, I want you to go on Fiverr or Upwork. We find there many positions which were posted by the people who are looking for virtual assistant. But for somebody who has been in this game for a while and you want to upgrade to a more advanced position, I want you to go on platforms like Belay or Time etc. We find there more other advanced positions of virtual assistant. As a beginner virtual assistant, you should expect yourself to get paid around 10 up to 15 US dollars per hour. But there are some virtual assistants who are even being paid more than 50 US dollars per hour because they are specialized in areas like maybe project management or graphic designing. Here is a pro tip. As somebody who is starting, you should start offering general admin tasks, but as you get more experience, you should niche it down to a more specialized roles. That's where you will start earning more money as a specialized virtual assistant. Side hustle number 2, teaching English online. This is a fantastic side hustle if you are fluent in English and you enjoy working with people. As an English tutor, you'll be teaching English to students around the world via video calls. Most platforms provide lesson plans, so you don't need teaching experience. There is a growing demand for English teachers, especially in countries like China, South Korea, and Brazil. You should also know that currently more than 1 billion students are learning English, and most of them are from those countries which don't speak English. Platforms like VIPKid, Kids are popular for teaching kids, while platforms like Cambly and Belay are great for teaching adults. As an English tutor, you will be earning 10 up to 25 US dollars per hour, with some platforms offering bonuses for peak hours and consistent performance. If you are not a native English speaker and you want to become an English tutor, you can check out platforms like italki or Fiverr. They can accept non-native English speaker with strong English skills. Side hustle number 3, becoming a personal trainer. So let's talk about personal training. If you are passionate about fitness, this is a great way of turning your hobby into your source of income. With the rise of at-home workouts and online coaching, there is a huge demand for affordable and accessible trainers. As a personal trainer, you'll be creating workout plans, coach clients, and help them achieve their fitness goals. You can do this in person or online. Platforms like Trainerize and FitSW will help you to create and sell your workout plans, while platforms like Fiverr and Upwork will help you to get clients. But as somebody who is starting in this personal training journey, you should start by offering free coaching session or discounted coaching session so that you can create your client base and promote yourself at the beginning. You should also be present on different social medias. You can start an Instagram account, TikTok account, and even a YouTube account and start showing people how to work out. You can even start telling people different nutritions that they need so that they can become fit, and this will help you to create your client base and promote yourself at the beginning. So as a personal trainer, you'll be charging 20 up to 50 US dollars per session. but you can even charge more than that depending on the kind of client that you're having. The last side hustle that we are going to talk about today is transcription. If you have a good listening skills and fast typing speed, you can become a good transcriptionist. And this side hustle is for you. As a transcriptionist, you'll be transcribing audio files into written text. This could include interviews, podcasts, or legal documents. There is a steady demand for transcriptionists in industries like media, legal, and healthcare. Platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe are beginner friendly. For a higher paying option, you should go for platforms like Scribie and Go Transcript. You will be earning 15 up to $30 depending on your speed and accuracy. And in some specialized industries like legal and healthcare, they can even pay you more than that. And if you really want to get into transcription, you should get yourself a noise cancelling headphones. And I have seen many young people are earning more than $1,000 per month by doing transcription in the comfort of their homes, sitting in their parents' couch. So you should try this. It will be a great side hustle, I promise you. Alright, that's it. 4 side hustles that you can start with $0. We can do a recap. The first one was becoming a virtual assistant. The second one was teaching English online. The third one was becoming a personal trainer. The last but not least one is transcription. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and smash on that notification bell icon so that you not miss more tips. And please tell me in the comment section the side hustle that we're going to try. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video and let's make that extra income happen. Ciao.